reaction now coming in from leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who has launched yet another attack on the centre, alleging that students across the country are facing brutality instead of justice. He referred to the reports of police action in Delhi and Bihar, and Rahul Gandhi claimed that the government has failed to honour its promise of not filing FIRs against protesting students. He accused the centre of suppressing student voices and demanded that Prime Minister Modi apologise to the country's youth and take action against all those who are responsible for alleged excesses rather than targeting the students themselves. So this is the latest update that we have at this point in time. Another scathing attack coming in from leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. He has put out a post as well. Let's go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us right now. Sabyasachi, now this was the demand, in fact, of Rahul Gandhi on Saturday as well, wherein he mentioned even though Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, there are two more demands that still are pending, and one of them included, in fact, an apology from the Prime Minister, something that he's reiterating.
Well, that's right. This allegation has come in from leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and this shows that the Congress would not give up easily. They would continue to create pressure on the centre. Now, in this latest tweet that he has put across, he said that AK-47 bullets were fired towards the students when they were protesting in the state of Bihar on the NEET paper leak issue, and several FIRs, in fact, have been registered against the students in Bihar. In fact, this particular point also was raised across by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She says that despite the assurance that has come in from the central government that no FIRs will be registered against the youth or the student, but clearly the FIRs are being registered, and that is the reason why the Congress has now demanded accountability from the Home Minister as well as the Prime Minister. And Rahul Gandhi says that he does not believe the central government because their approach is completely dishonest, and they feel that larger reforms are needed as far as the education sector is concerned. In fact, while addressing the press conference, he also pointed out that how the education sector has been captured by the BJP and the RSS.
Right. Sabyasachi, thank you for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story. And we have